What's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Mike Sieben and I am a multiple six-figure Amazon seller. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about the 5 mistakes to avoid when starting your Amazon business. There's a few that are more important than the other, so stick around to the very end where I reveal the #1 mistake that people make when starting their Amazon business and how you can avoid it. Let's get into it. Alright guys, so as I mentioned in today's video, we are talking the 5 mistakes that you should avoid when selling on Amazon. If you guys like my content, do not forget to smash that like button and make sure that you are subscribed and hitting the notification bell so you can get alerted every single time that I make a new video. Alright, so hopping right into it, the #1 mistake that people make when running an Amazon business is plain and simply just not starting. It seems very self-explanatory, but it is a real issue, and just like anything else in life, you can't get anywhere and can't make any progress if you don't just go ahead and start. If you're watching this video, you've already taken the first step into learning about the Amazon FBA business, how things work, and how you can do it for yourself. So the next step is going to be to consolidate the knowledge and go out there and just get started. Sign up for the account, get your business affairs in order, and then get to start selling on Amazon, because if you do not start, you cannot progress. The second mistake that I see Amazon sellers making is hiring before automating. So what I mean by this is essentially utilizing all of the software and tools that you can pay for or that you can get for absolutely free online that can help reduce the workload and really make it a lot less stressful and easier on you to run your business. There are many tools out there that entire goal or the sole purpose of them is to essentially make your workload less, make tasks easier, and allow you the ability to free up your time to focus on other areas of the business. In almost all cases, it's going to be much less expensive to find a software that can solve the problem you're having or do a task that you are currently spending time doing versus going out and hiring an employee or a virtual assistant or anything like that. So make sure that you are looking if there's a software to solve the problem that you're trying to solve before going out and hiring out someone to do that for you. The third biggest problem I see Amazon sellers making is lack of inventory management. So you really need to have a pulse on where your inventory is, how much inventory you're going to need for running your business, and making sure that you're able to forecast as well as keep in stock all of your best-selling SKUs, and make sure that you're not actually making orders on products that do not sell well for you. So right in the Amazon Seller app, they actually have a restock tool, and you can use this as your inventory management software, or you can go out and find other softwares such as Sellerboard or Inventory Lab that can also help you do things like inventory forecasting and let you know exactly how much inventory you have in stock as well as on the way to FBA warehouses. So make sure that you either have a software or a system in place that can help you out with that so you can make the most informed buying decisions. The fourth mistake is informal bookkeeping. So make sure that you are paying attention to your numbers. If you are not a numbers person like I am, then make sure that you go out and find somebody that can do the bookkeeping for you, or a really good software that can help you keep track of your finances. So there are many different softwares out there that can help you keep track of your numbers and pay attention to how your business is performing from a profit and numbers standpoint. Obviously, using things like Xero or QuickBooks is a really good tool to make sure that your bookkeeping for your overall business is taken care of. But then inside your business on the Amazon side, you can employ softwares such as Sellerboard. And Sellerboard is an all-in-one profit tracking solution that you can use to track all of your numbers, and it plugs directly into your Amazon account. So whatever your solution is, make sure that you have a pulse on your numbers and know exactly how your business is performing. And the fifth and final reason why people are failing with their Amazon business is fear. Fear is a driving factor, and it is a very real thing when making a large decision in your life. More often than not, you're going to have some sense of fear or feel like you might regret the decision. And I'm here to tell you that there's nothing to be scared of. Are you gonna make mistakes? Are you gonna have your struggles and tough days? Definitely. It's not unlike any other business or any other job that you would have, in that you do have days where you just don't do as well, you struggle to get out of bed, whatever the case may be, and there's always gonna be things that are out of your control. It is entirely possible to start and run a successful Amazon business. I have done so myself, and I'm showing my students on a daily basis how they can do that for themselves as well. I do have students that are starting businesses each and every day and are absolutely winning and crushing it right now. So if you are watching this video and you have not started your Amazon business, I highly recommend that you go out, get started. If you need to watch some of my other videos, I can link a great playlist right here. All right, guys, that is all I have for you today. This has been the 5 mistakes to avoid when starting your Amazon business. If you have not already, please smash that like button. Make sure that you are subscribed and you hit that notification bell so you can be alerted every single time I post a new video. Other than that, I hope you're having a great day, and peace.